Guys, so basically, I just wanted to do this little glitch, but then suddenly, when I joined this little no PvP server, I looked into the sky, and this is what I just saw. I have like 7 of these, and it's about to be 8. Cause this is just crazy. The amount of stuff that's in here. And it's lagging out.
What's that person who wanted?
Boys, we are rich, by the way. We're rich. You know what they say when that one song comes handy? Money talks. Money talks.
What do you want?
Get your money up, not your funny up. Money talks.
Cases.
Get your money up, not your funny up. And they got their money up. So this look like the type of, and I'm lagging out. This look like the type of server that would that moderator has just went in. Cause there's just like so much suitcases. Even the freaking grapplers glitching out.
Here, you and me will get. Okay, sell it.
Guys, are you ready to get some money today?
I'll treat you tomato laser there, cutting the joint.
Perfect size.
Finally, I'm in a modern server.
Guys, I got some money for y'all.
Go watch these! They're dropping! I'm gonna get everybody a suitcase and they're all gonna have it. Here, I'm gonna give everybody, I'm gonna get big and I'm gonna give everybody a suitcase. Like this, like this one. Here, suitcases, dropping. That galaxy one?
Who wants a trade? Who wants a trade for my backpack?
Suitcases for all of y'all.
Yo, can you give me that for my weapon? Thank you. Dominique, go spawn. I am a spawn. Here's a pink. Give me. Oh no, my queen. Oh no, my queen.
I'm just gonna carry this on my back.
Yeah, my queen. Here, Dominique.
Anybody want to watch my cinematic masterpiece?
Dominique, here.
Anybody want to watch my cinematic masterpiece?
Oh, it's great. Oh, my queen. Yeah.
But there's just so much crates here. This is not no freaking animal company anymore. This is collectors and this is collectors company. The heck?
Anyone want to go somewhere in a private?
This is animal collector now. This is animal collector.
Almost at 5 mil, baby.
Everyone, go in there with a dang backpack. Oh, why are you leaking his age? Why are you leaking? Oh my god! Look how many suitcases there are! Guys, did I just find the god code?
Most certainly you did. You did find a god code. Oh crap.
Okay, guys.
So y'all,
Infinite money.
Here.
Try to make infinite money.
Money talks, money walks, money talks, money
Money
walks.
talks. Guys, money talks.
You want money? The talk.
Yeah, we need money. We need money for a long time. Guys, if you go to the selling machine and you look up, there's only like Alright, nobody just need to. Everyone grab them and, yeah.
Let's go.
Everyone, money talks, guys, money talks.
I got suitcases for everybody. Oh, guys, eat some broccoli.
Ever since I was a kid.
I was schizophrenic.
Broccoli, we can get the dang suitcases.
The broccoli is good. I like broccoli.
Oh my
Here's
god.
more.
The broccoli is good. When you gonna get the broccoli, it's good.
Guys,
Can I want more broccoli. How you get broccoli? I want broccoli.
YouTuber.
Oh, give me. Hey, you tiny man. Can I hide that? Tiny man, can I hide that?
and I got two in there.
I'm not so speed.
Suitcase. Oh man, I like my suitcase. My suitcase.
Yeah, get him in
No.
there.
Oh,
Yes,
suitcase.
I am. Get him in there.
Oh,
There's
suitcase.
Cyan, try to get this one in here for me, okay?
Someone leave. There's a
Try to get that in there, Cyan, please. I
Give me
can't get in
suitcase.
there.
Give me suitcase.
No! My suitcase.
Guys, someone leave the game.
Guys,
and
we
I'll
need
do
more
the
broccoli.
thing.
Let me know.
Okay, and let someone. Oh, never mind. Can you leave
Okay, I
the
got
game? Someone
another
leave the game. Can someone leave the game? Bye.
Bro, I don't think we need more.
Did you get in Yanda?
Bro, say something for us that's right there.
Right now.
Can somebody leave the
I dare
game?
you to spawn like thousands. Just joking, don't. It's gonna
Where
like
are you? Can you leave the game? Can somebody?
Spawn more! Whoever spawned them, spawn more!
Go.
Guys, there's too many
No,
suitcases.
we already have a lot.
Guys, look.
No, spawn more of that. No, spawn more. No.
There's thousands of suitcases.
Rather spawn than spawn more.
Oh, no one. There's 12 people in here.
Want some more broccoli?
Yanda.
Everyone look up. Everyone come here.
How do I don't know how to go in. Oh, crap. Someone. There's a pizza on the floor.
Okay. I'm not pushing anything.
I'm gonna get a
Dang.
I think this person's. Okay,
Everyone, we need broccoli.
Someone literally just got in as soon as.
But I'm bringing more I'm bringing. Oh, rather
Yeah,
spawn.
guys, that's gonna be it for the video.
No more, okay, no more. I want my game to
When I post this,
Yeah, no more.
be fast as you can because
Spawn more.
someone's gonna wipe this out. Oh,
They're just in the air.
there's like a service gonna wipe this out. They can even get up there. So yeah,
Yeah.
I want my game to crash. Somebody spawn more. I want my game to crash.
Okay, I'll tell you when somebody
This
leaves.
is modern?
Crash?
You might got some
Somebody spawn more. I want my game to
broccoli.
crash. Everyone.
yeah, though. Look.
Yes, please.
Money talk.
Yes, please.
So look at all these stuff. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. I got 9 suitcases. I'm so rich.
Suitcases. Let's go. These are
There
suitcases.
Listen, but there's still a lot of people in the game right now. There's like 12
I am
people.
broccoli man. They call me Flutter. Give me
Okay,
broccoli.
no, I just have to wait for this thing to count
Hey, bro, I
down.
got two more.
Yeah, look. So if you want to join this code, it's 574-937.
In like a Lego
I'll
No,
see you
Yanda,
guys
he's trying. This kid
in
is
the next
trying